one narrow sea route is once again putting the entire world on edge. The Strait of Hormuz. And today's newspaper highlighted growing fears that escalating tensions between Iran, Israel, and the United States could destabilize one of the most important oil routes on earth. The crisis intensified after Iran reportedly halted talks and exchanges with the United States following Israeli strikes in Lebanon targeting Hezbollah's strongholds in Beirut's Dahia area. According to the report, Iran viewed the strikes as violations linked to the fragile ceasefire situation in the region. At the same time, the situation became even more dangerous after U.S. Central Command, CENTCOM, reportedly intercepted Iranian ballistic missiles aimed near Kuwait. And naturally, global geopolitical anxiety immediately increased. Because whenever tensions rise in West Asia, the world begins watching one location very carefully. The Strait of Hormuz. Why is this tiny waterway so important? Because nearly 1/5 of global oil trade passes through this narrow maritime route. Major Gulf oil exports depend heavily on Hormuz to reach international markets. That means even the fear of disruption can immediately affect global crude prices, shipping costs, fuel supply chains, and inflation worldwide. And countries like India are especially vulnerable. Why? Because India imports large quantities of crude oil from Gulf nations. That means instability in Hormuz can directly impact petrol prices, diesel costs, LPG rates, transport expenses, and overall inflation pressure. Today's newspaper also connected the conflict with rising commercial LPG prices, logistics cost concerns, and increasing pressure on fuel supply systems. And if you enjoy powerful geopolitical explainers and important current affairs simplified clearly, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. What makes the situation especially dangerous is the larger regional instability involving Iran, Israel, Hezbollah, US military presence, and Gulf security dynamics. Experts warn that even limited escalation in West Asia can create global economic shockwaves because modern supply chains depend heavily on stable energy transportation routes. The Strait of Hormuz is not only a regional issue, it is one of the world's most critical strategic choke points. And disruptions there can affect shipping industries, aviation fuel, manufacturing costs, global trade, and financial markets. The larger reality is becoming increasingly clear. Modern geopolitics is deeply connected with energy security. And sometimes, a conflict happening thousands of kilometers away can directly affect the daily lives of ordinary people through fuel prices, inflation, and economic instability. Because in today's interconnected world, one narrow sea route can influence the entire global economy. Stay informed, stay alert, and follow for more